Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why affiliate marketing can suck, right? I know you're thinking like, wait a minute, everybody talk about how cool affiliate marketing is. Like, that's all I do is watch videos about affiliate marketing. Like, that's where the money at, right? Well, yeah, but there's some things that a lot of people that promote affiliate programs and products don't really talk about, and these are facts. Like, I've been in the game well over 13 years now, 14 years, a long time. So I've seen a lot, know a lot, and I'm helping you out. All right. So first and foremost, affiliate marketing is legit. It's a legit way to make money online. A lot of people make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. If you don't know exactly what affiliate marketing is, the short answer is it's basically where you promote somebody else's product in return for a commission. Everything you sell, you get a little commission. Maybe it's 10%, maybe it's 50%. Who knows, right? So here's the thing. It has its downsides, in my opinion, right? Here's the first reason why affiliate marketing can suck, all right? And that is the commissions can change, right? When you don't own a product, right, or the service, whatever you're promoting, at any given time, they can change your commission. Like, and this happened to me several times on some like fitness programs that I was affiliate of. Like, you start out and it's like, oh, promote our product, you get 30%, whatever you make, man, 30% commissions. You like, okay, yeah. Okay, let me get out here. Let me do some YouTube videos. Let me get on Facebook. Yeah. Let me hype it up, right? Then 3 months later, you get that email. Was it new program policies and all this stuff? You open up the email, guess what they say? You will no longer be receiving 30% commission. You will be getting 15% commissions now. Thank you. Have a great day. You're like, what? Literally. And there's nothing you could do about it, right? There's nothing you could do about it. And you just got to either stop promoting it or just keep promoting it and just take that 50% cut that you just, that you just ran into. All right. So that's one thing. And that does happen a lot, right? So you really want to look into the programs before you sign up and kind of look at their track record as far as how long have they had this commission, is there any complaints, do they pay on time, so on and so on, because this thing does happen. All right. A second reason why affiliate marketing can suck is a company can fold. They could just shut down one day. They could just literally just be done. So you can be an affiliate. You might be affiliate for 2-3 years. You got all kinds of links all over the place. And you're just like doing your thing. You might even be earning some commissions, right? You're like, yeah, this is it right here. And then one day you get that email. Maybe you want to get an email, but that company's done. It's a wrap, right? And then when that happens, you have no choice. You done. It's over. You know what I mean? Like, no more commissions for you. It's done, right? And that can completely suck, especially if you believe in the product that you're selling. You got links everywhere. You might even build a website. You might even created a whole YouTube channel based around the product that you was promoting. And then it could just be gone just like that. All right. So keep that in mind. Once again, do your research on the companies. Make sure they got a good track record. Make sure they're a company that you feel that's going to be around for a long, long time. All right. So the third reason why affiliate marketing could suck is oversaturation. All right. Because you got to remember, when you're an affiliate, right, especially if something that's really popular and really good and in high demand, you're going to have a lot of people promoting the same exact sales page, the same product, the same pitch. It's going to be thousands of people, hundreds, if not thousands of people promoting the same exact thing, which could make it a lot harder for you to actually make commissions on a regular basis, right? So one of the best things you can do as an affiliate is get creative with your marketing, right? Try to stand out from, the other people that are selling the same thing that you are. And you just want to get creative with it, because once again, if you're promoting something that everybody's promoting, that means most likely whoever you're promoting to, they probably seen your offer 4 or 5 times by now, and then either they already got the product, or they just so sick of it they ain't even gonna be on that on your web page 2 seconds before they click off it, because they're like, oh damn, I saw this already, right? So once again, you kind of want to look at whatever you're promoting, right? And then figure out a way you can put it in front of people in a different way. Like, maybe have, like a opt-in page before you see your offer. Or maybe you already built up a list of people, an email list, and then you can promote that offer to your list. You want to get creative with it. Or better yet, find a really good product or service that's not overly saturated, not super popular yet, and really push that, so you could be one of the ones to get the first commissions with that product. All right, so those are 3 real reasons why affiliate marketing can suck. All right, now to end this on a brighter note, yes, affiliate marketing is legit. Yes, you can make money with affiliate marketing. You can make a full-time income with affiliate marketing. All right, and if you really want to get into it, I always talk about it, but one of the best affiliate marketing training programs out there is Wealthy Affiliate. If you never heard of it, check the description, find it, Wealthy Affiliate. It's free training, and then have upgrade if you want, but this actually will get you going, learning the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. One more tip that I'll give you is, all right, one more tip is, whenever you promote an affiliate product, I highly recommend that you buy a domain name for whatever you're promoting. Buy a domain name and do a domain forward. Look it up. I'm not getting in all details, but basically you would take your affiliate link for whatever you're promoting, and you would put that, you would connect it to your domain name that you got. So if it's hypothetically you're promoting a weight loss supplement, right? You go to go to GoDaddy or whoever. You buy a domain name that says bestweightloss.com, right? You buy that domain name, right? You take your affiliate link for the product you're promoting. You connect it to your bestweightloss.com, whatever domain. So anytime somebody clicks on the domain name, right, they go straight to your affiliate product. You can earn commissions, right? Here's the cool part. If for whatever reason that weight loss product that you're promoting goes out of business, or they switch commission rates that you don't like, or you just want to promote another product, all you need to do is get your new affiliate link from your new product, go over to your domain name, right? Get rid of the old affiliate link, put your new one in. Now when people click on your domain, they're going to your new product that you're promoting. This is a great tip that I would recommend to anybody, who's taking affiliate marketing serious and you really want to go hard with it. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out, but keep in mind, yes, affiliate marketing, I do it. It's legit. You can make money, but just be aware of those things. All right. So comment below. Let me know what you think. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace.